Why does object detection matter in this modern era? When we ponder upon this question, we realize that it has become an integral part of our daily lives. Object detection is a key component in many applications, from self-driving cars and surveillance systems to image retrieval systems and even interactive gaming. Object detection in its simplest form is a computer vision technique used to identify and locate objects in an image or video. But don't be fooled, this process is far from simple. It involves a series of complex steps that computers must undertake to accurately identify these objects. The first step in object detection involves image acquisition. This is where the system captures an image or a series of images for analysis. The image can be a static photo or a frame from a video feed. Next comes the pre-processing stage. During this stage, the system prepares the image for detection. This may involve reducing noise, adjusting the contrast, or even converting the image to grayscale. The goal here is to enhance the features that matter and suppress those that don't. Following pre-processing, the system proceeds to the feature extraction stage. This is where the system identifies unique characteristics or attributes from the processed image. It could be shapes, edges, textures, or colors. These features become the building blocks for object detection. Now we move on to the classification stage. This is where the system uses machine learning algorithms to classify the extracted features into various categories. For example, an algorithm could classify a round, red feature as an apple. The final stage is localization. This is where the system determines the location of the detected object in the image. This is typically represented by a bounding box around the object. In summary, object detection is a complex but crucial technology in today's world. It starts with image acquisition, followed by pre-processing to enhance key features. Then the system extracts these features and classifies them using machine learning algorithms. Finally, it localizes the object within the image. Remember, each of these steps is equally important, and skipping one could lead to inaccurate results. So the next time you marvel at a self-driving car navigating the streets, remember the complex process of object detection that makes it possible. Object detection, with its ability to identify and locate objects, is ushering us into a future where technology becomes an even more seamless part of our everyday lives. It's not just about making machines see, it's about making them understand and interact with the world in a more meaningful way. That's it for today's discussion on object detection. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, technology is only as powerful as our understanding of it.